Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the drawing keyboard on your Apple Watch. First, wake your watch and open an app that allows text input, like messages or mail. Next, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal the various input options available to you. You will then see and tap the scribble icon to activate the drawing keyboard. This easy method lets you quickly start writing on your watch. Once the scribble keyboard is active, you can begin drawing. Simply draw one letter at a time directly onto your watch screen. The Apple Watch will then convert your handwritten input into typed text, appearing in the text field. You can also draw numbers in the same way, writing each digit individually. Remember to pause briefly between characters to ensure accurate recognition by the watch. The drawing keyboard offers several quick actions to enhance your typing experience. To correct a mistake, simply swipe left on the screen to delete the last character you drew. You can easily insert a space between words by tapping the dedicated space icon. For faster input, use the digital crown to scroll through suggested words. If you prefer, you can also switch to dictation or emoji input by tapping their respective icons. To become more efficient with the drawing keyboard, practice drawing your letters and numbers clearly. This helps the watch recognize your input more accurately and quickly. Remember to utilize the digital crown for fast text editing and to browse through word suggestions, saving you time. You can find a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals in the description below. Combining scribble with dictation offers a versatile way to input text, adapting to your needs in different situations. Master these tips to make your Apple Watch even more productive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.